Hey guys, this is Diya and welcome back to my channel Mom and Me. Today I have a whole house cleanup with you. I started with my daily morning routine and ended up by deep cleaning the chimney, which by the way was so gross that looking at the final result was immensely satisfying. I used different cleaners like multi-purpose cleaner, baking soda, vinegar, turpentine, all etc. But if you want to know what really worked, then keep watching. So let's get started with the most easiest job I would say, which is tidying up the bedrooms. It literally takes no time, but the feeling of accomplishment that you get looking at a tidy bedroom is beyond explanation. So I always suggest starting with the bedrooms or the easiest task first, working your way up to more complex cleaning jobs. We recently came back from our overseas holiday and I feel the need to clean my entire house. We went to India to celebrate Diwali with our family and our kids literally they had so much fun. I have put up my Diwali vlog. If you haven't yet vlogged it, I'll link it up in the cards here.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Today I am doing whole house clean, wiping the furniture and everything because as I mentioned we have recently come back from our holidays, so I feel the need. But if this was a normal day, then I would either do the bedrooms or I would do dining and the drawing. Definitely I'll make the bed every morning, but I wouldn't bother wiping the furniture on daily basis. If you're thinking why I have these two chairs next to my bed, because Dhyani used to wiggle a lot and these were just to protect her from falling. I could have bought a bed rail but actually never felt the need because this workaround was working fine. Actually I need to put this back as Dhyani doesn't wiggle as much now. Now onto my kids' bedroom. These days my kids, they are not playing a lot with their toys, but all they want to do is just take them out and put it on the floor, on the rug or on the bed. And more than Dhyani, it's Kushank actually. He is very naughty. He doesn't play, but he loves to make the mess. With Dhyani, when she was little, we used to actually sit together and we would put all the toys back to where they belong. But this doesn't work with boys, I guess. Even if Dhyani wants to put back her toys on the rack, Kushank will pull them down on the floor again. And I guess he's still too young for me to explain him that things needs to be organized and they need to go to their place. He's not even 2 years, so I guess for now it's my job to take care of their room as well.
My name, stay through the rain. We'll be on the ground.
My dining room these days, it's like a storeroom for my kids' toys. Their bicycle, tricycle, scooter, walker, everything sits here. If you guys know me, you guys know that laundry folding is my least favorite job. So I'm going to put it away for now. These days I like to fold laundry at night after dinner, a time when we all sit and talk as a family in a drawing room, and I can also get some work done while sitting and chatting. They don't use this walker anymore, so I guess it's time to find it a new home. Also, we don't use this pram anymore and it needs to go as well. Now onto the kitchen. My kitchen has white cabinets, and as you can imagine, our kids love to touch everything in the house with their dirty hands. So this white cabinets, they get really dirty. So I want to clean them today. Also, I want to do one major task is to clean the chimney and the area around it. It has really got out of control. I'll be honest with you guys, I actually didn't clean the filters of the chimney on time, which meant that all the oil and grease from the tadka, it all sticked onto my cabinets. And you know what? I later procrastinated and didn't even clean it on time, making all the gunk really tough. So let me first clean the cabinets, then moving on to the massive job of the day.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not because my eyes are open, your words.
I actually procrastinated thinking that one day I will do it perfectly, and guess what? That one day didn't come for weeks, but now. So, one lesson that I've learned today is that do not think of being a perfectionist in cleaning. When it comes to cleaning, just get up and do it. Actually, the more we think of doing it perfectly one fine day, that day actually never comes. Also, regular cleaning is more efficient than one of deep cleaning. So do a quick clean couple of times a week rather than once couple of weeks. I hope I got the message across. It's little complicated, but it is something that we really need to understand and we really need to live by it. Also, one another thing that I did last night was I soaked the chimney filter in hot water with some laundry detergent in it, and I was really lazy to clean it last night, but then I also thought if I let it soak for a few hours it would be much easier. And guess what? In the morning it was so easy to clean. I didn't have to scrub a lot. The water automatically was so greasy, so I thought to soak it in the soapy water for one more time, and I actually got it really clean without any scrubbing, and it saved me a lot of time. Now finally on to cleaning these greasy spots from the furniture. As I mentioned before, I tried many things to clean this up: multi-purpose cleaner, baking soda and vinegar, turpentine oil. I actually read somewhere that paint thinners get rid of chimney gunk very quickly. However, the only cleaner that really got rid of this is Jif. I took a damp cloth, put Jif on it and simply rubbed it on the spot for a few seconds and it was gone in no time. But it was a tedious job. But to be very honest, no other thing worked. I really wanted something high grade and Jif is only thing that worked in this case. Now I really want to keep this clean on regular basis as it takes less time to do cleaning on regular basis rather than doing deep cleaning one fine day. So guys, this is all I did in my morning routine today. I hope I inspired you in some way or the other and gave you a little motivation not to put off the cleaning jobs for later. Rather, turn on your active mode and get up and just do it. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by liking this video and also subscribing to my channel, because your one subscription can really make huge difference to my channel, and I would really love to have you on board as Mom and Me family. And also don't forget to leave me a comment in the community section, as comment sections are disabled on my channel, and I shall see you with another cleaning motivation video. Bye for now.